let's read aloud all the text.
What do they do after school? My name's Mars. After school, I do my homework. Then I go to the park. I play football with my friends. Then I watch TV.
Good job. Next one.
And Julia, I love art. After school, I draw and paint pictures. Then I write stories. I put the stories and pictures on my bedroom wall.
Good job. The third part.
And after school, I help my mom and dad. Then I listen to my CDs. I sing the songs. I really like music.
Okay, I really like music.
I really like music.
Songs. I sing the songs.
I sing a song.
The songs.
I sing the songs.
Okay, that sounds better. Next one, the last one.
My name's Sarah. I like sport. I go swimming every Monday. I play tennis with my brother every
Tuesday. Not Thursday. Tuesday.
And every Thursday, I skate in the park with my sister.
But you should say every. Say every. Every Thursday.
Every Thursday.
Okay, that sounds better. Thank you, Chang. You did a great job.